Hey guys, and welcome to the 1000 subscriber special. And firstly, I want to say thank you to each and every individual one of you for subscribing to the channel and making it as good as what it is so far. So I want to give a special thank you to the guy who does all of my thumbnails, and that's my brother-in-law, Dan. Thank you so much for that, because you really have raised the standard of the channel. I also want to give a shout out to Will, who's done most of my camera work. Now today he's not doing it, it's my best mate Ross, who's got this beautiful Second World War Harley Davidson. And we've been out on them today, me with my new Triumph Tiger, going out for a great ride out in the countryside. So when I was looking at British motorcycles, I was looking at all different sorts. I was looking at the matchless, I was looking at BSA singles, I was looking at the Triumphs like the one I've got here, and just overall this Triumph just came along and it just won it for me. It's 2-cylinder, it's got electronic ignition, and it's got everything that hopefully makes it hassle-free. And you don't like electronic ignition, do you, Ross?
Not on an old classic British bike, no. It's designed with 6-volt points, 12 volts. The system of fucking Satan.
You say that, but it's a little bit more reliable, I think.
He says after today.
Okay, we broke down. I admit, we broke down. It was just a wire that went to the coil, and it caused, what was it, about an hour's worth of grief or something like that, at the side of the road.
Yeah, pushing the bike, sweating over the bike, kicking the bike, quite literally at some point.
But, that's all part of the enjoyment of classic motorcycles and classic cars. If you don't like that, then you shouldn't really be into them, is the way we both talk about them. So I want to introduce Ross more to the channel with his beautiful Harley Davidson. Now Ross has got various World War II bikes. He's got 2 WM20s, BSA WM20s, and this lovely Harley Davidson. He's also got various bikes from the 1950s and 1960s and a massive collection of classic cars. Me and Ross, we've known each other for about 25 years, we went to school together. And I think, it brings another dimension to the channel if I bring Ross in on there. He has been on various videos before, but never in a speaking role, so he's always been in the background of, what was the last video you was on? Was it Sirewell?
The last video I was on was the Old Spartan Classic Car Meet when you videoed my Mark 1 Cavalier.
That's right. So your Mark 1 Cavalier was in there, and you've been in, was it the Sirewell opening?
The Sirewell Museum opening.
Was that with this one, or was that with your WM20?
No, that was with this one, my 42 Harley Davidson. 42
Harley Davidson, what a beauty, absolute beauty. And if we just come around here and have a look at Ross's Harley, and he's had all this rebuilt. This is a genuine Second World War bike. Where did you get it from, mate?
Zossen, just south of Berlin.
Just south of Berlin. So he's had all this painted on the side, hand painted, Betty, and it's an absolute stunner, really is. It's just recently you've put this on the back there, haven't you, the radio?
Yeah, so that's a genuine radio receiver which was fitted to some Harley Davidson motorcycles. It's a very rare piece, and I've just reconditioned it to fully working order. Fantastic.
You've also got the rifle at the front and the baseball bat. It is just, this is you all over. You do stuff to such a high standard. Ross has got his own motorcycle company where he restores bikes, and I couldn't recommend him enough. So it seems like that every time I reach a milestone, I buy something new. In the 500 subscriber special, I got the MGB. In the 1000 subscriber special, I got this beautiful Triumph Tiger T90. So who knows what I'll get if ever I reach 10,000 subscribers. All I can say is watch this space. But for now, guys, thank you so much for subscribing. You really do make the channel what it is. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.